Okay, so it's time. I'm back. How are you? It's been such a long time. Hinintay ko isang buwan after that issue sa ITEL A50 piso deal. Marami natatanong, ano nangyari, Vince? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Wala ka na statement after. Ang daming gumawa ng content sa akin. Ang daming salbaheng content about me, about my staff, about my wife, about everybody in that video. Kung hindi mo pa alam, meron akong video a few weeks ago explaining na kailangan nyo mag-cancel ng isang particular phone na dapat hindi nyo ituloy yung inyong order. Yes, yun po yung piso deal issue ni ITEL A50 na bakit ko pinapakancel. Today, I'll be explaining everything about that. Everything that has transpired over the weeks leading up to this point. Wait, sino ba itong mga taong to? Mga content creator na nag-create? Tito Mars? Ano ba yan, Tito Mars? Ano ba yung pinagsasabi mo sa akin? At sino ba itong babae na nagre-react din kay Tito Mars? sino ba itong mga content creator na ang daming ginawang content about me? Actually guys, after ko ginawa yung video na yon, halos lahat na ng content creator sinakyan yung issue. Siyempre, it was clout. Every content creator wants clout, no? Siyempre, views yan, yung puhunan nila eh. Pero ito ang daming binali yung sinabi ko. Ang daming hypothesis, ang daming mga haka-haka. Mga guess lang. Mga hindi talaga alam yung nangyari. Kasi, guys, ito kung wala talaga kayo sa actual situation, it means it's all guess lang. At syempre, kung nanggaling sa isang tao na nagchichismis tungkol sa amin, baka that person might not be the best source of information. Maybe because that person might be against us or hates us. Probably 99% of the time, they will really say something that's against us or ikakasira namin. Well, actually, hindi lang naman to yung pinakaunang nangyari this year. Marami pa akong pinagdaanan this year. I'm not sure. This is the year yung pinakamarami akong kaaway, pinakamarami akong issue, I'm not even doing anything negative. Basta ako, kung ano yung mga videos ko from the past 3 years, 4 years, it's still the same. Thumbnails ko, the same. Siguro dumami lang yung tao ko. Ayun. And then, lumaki na rin yung team ko. Iba na rin yung background ko. No? Makita mo, may mga 2 TV na ako sa background. Also, hindi lang ako sa YouTube ngayon, sa TikTok na rin ako. I think that my reach this year has been 4 or 5 times compared to the past 3 years combined. And during this year, no, marami nagsilputang mga issues. For example, mga ibang reviewers or content creators all ganging up on me, saying different narratives about me. Second naman, sa competition ko sa TikTok, ang dami din nananira sa akin. Ginagawa pa ako ng content. I'm not sure why. And just recently is the ITEL A50 issue. Daming nangyari guys. Ang dami. Challenge after challenge after challenge. It's been tough. Both physically and mentally. Sometimes hindi ko na ma-handle. Pero I do take vacations. And syempre, I do pray to God. Thankful ako na even after all these issues, even after all the negativity, okay pa naman ako. I'm still in one piece, still strong, still looking forward to the future na hopefully much better na, hopefully lang. Pero ito na, what really happened dun sa ITEL A50 issue? Ano ba nangyari dun sa piso deal? Bakit sobrang controversial niya? Well, syempre, una-una yung video namin, it was a recipe for hate, a recipe for controversy. Number 1, apology video siya. Andun lahat kami, ang dami namin doon, nag-apologize, may kasalanan. Siyempre, nakita ng tao, uy, issue, Unbox Diaries, issue. Noong nakita ng mga haters ko, let's go to Reddit, let's go. Siyempre, non-stop bashing. Parang yung kada comment, parang motivated sila. Kahit di mo na bayaran, sarap magalit dito. Mga cloud chaser, oh my God, ang dami kong views dito. Mukhang okay yung pagka gumawa ko ng content kay Vince, dami kong views. For sure, marami talaga siyang views. Marami talaga siyang engagement na I did not expect. In-analyze ko na lang siya after nung nangyari. Pero yun, what really happened during that live is, well, we were doing our usual Infinity Sale, yung aming pinakamalaking sale for the month. Nasa Infinity Sale, marami talagang papiso dyan. No? Marami kaming pinapamigay, papremyo, papiso, minsan libre pa. Marami talaga nag-aabang ng aming papiso. Unang-una malaki kasi talagang ini-invest namin for papremyo. Not only sa packet ko, but also sa packet ng brand, also kay TikTok. Talagang tulong-tulong yan to give you so much papremyo. It is also part of my vision to give back to my followers na talagang lagi nanonood sa akin. This is all I can do. Sa sobrang dami nyo, ito talaga magawa ko. Tulong-tulong talaga. From my own pocket, siguro 2 lang, 3 cellphone per month, yun na talaga kaya ko. 2.5 million kayo, 2.6 million. Ngayon guys, ang pinakamarami ko na pamigay, by accident pa nga, which is 6,500 na cellphone. Sipin nyo yun. 6,500 cell phones were 15.6 million pesos of smartphones. This link was open for 3 minutes during the live. Nagtataka kami bakit hindi pa rin nawawala yung buy. Usually kasi guys, half a second, wala na po yan. Wala na pag cellphone. Pero 3 minutes, open pa rin siya. Ang daming tao nakakuha ng not only one, not only two, even as much as 20 checkouts of the same phone. Antindi. Ang daming natawa din kasi alam nila na pagkakamali ng tao ni Itel yon. Andito siya nung time na yon, no? Yung taong yon, andito, sinusuportahan yung live namin and suddenly, meron pa daw siya pang pupuntang ibang creator kasi since double digits siya, marami siyang creator na kailangan puntahan at i-support. Kaya lang, nung umalis na siya, doon pala kami maglalabas ng Itel A50 na piso deal, which is dapat 10 lang po talaga ibibigay namin. Dapat 10 lang. So yun, ready na kami i-release yung piso deal. Sabi ko, isa lang muna. Okay? Isa lang muna. Mamaya na siguro yung 9. Siguro nasa Grab yung Itel personnel. At ayun na nga, boom. Pag-release, boom! Bakit di pa rin nauubos, man? Ano nangyari dyan? Ba't di pa rin natatanggal? Now, to be clear, we don't have any control sa system. We don't have any control sa piso. It's all sa brand side na. Nagre-request lang kami ng mga piso deal lang talaga. Depending on the live, it's either isa lang ibibigay niya or up to 10, katulad nung, kasi big sale kasi siya. At saka bagong labas lang ni Itel A50 noon. Kaya maraming talagang pinamigay si Itel. And ako naman, madalas ako na bumibili sa brand itself para madagdagan yung piso deal natin. So, during that time, tawang-tawa po kami. Hindi kami makapaniwala na totoo ba to? Sobrang bait ba ng brand? Kahit si Xiaomi, sobrang bait yan. Dami din yung napapamigay. What happened? Sabi ko, Pasko ba to? This is even better than Christmas kasi napamigay ko 6,500 po na cellphone. I think that is the biggest, the most a creator has given in any content, in any live. Kahit sa ibang bansa, kahit si Unbox Therapy, mas marami pa rin ako cellphone na pamigay. And that's the reason kung bakit tumatawa po yung nasa likod ko. Punta nga dito, Jin. May kalamero kang ano dito, sabihin. Halika, Jin. Ito nga. Di, okay lang. Ito yung isa sa mga tumawa. Ito yung tumawa, guys. Ba't ka natawa? Ang daming na-perwisyo dun sa, tumatawa ka lang. Wait lang. Tawa ka na naman! Wait lang. Ano siya?
Akala ko kasi joke lang, hindi pa nagsisingin sa amin yung nangyari.
Masayahin lang kasi ako.
Ay, masayahin lang daw kasi si, na mahihain din siya. Sa sobrang mahihain niya, medyo nag-defense mechanism siya dun sa live. Natatawa na lang siya, ganun. Well, actually, marami din talaga natawa dun sa nangyari. A lot of my people thought it was hilarious because it doesn't usually happen na ganun kadami yung napapamigay. They did not feel the severity during that moment. Hindi pa nag-sink in. Hindi nila alam na ganun pala kalala. Well, actually, after nun, tumawag talaga sa akin yung CEO. Nag-call siya sa akin. Can you cancel the piso deal that everybody checked out? All 6,500 because bro, I just lost 15.6 million pesos worth of smartphones, and if we do not get this all canceled, I will lose everything. I will lose all my money. Malulugi daw sila. After that, many of his friends actually messaged me saying that I really have to do it. It was really severe, guys. It was one of the biggest losses. Right now, kung makita mo, kami lang po may review ng mga pinaka-latest nilang Itel phones sa YouTube. It means wala na po siyang budget. Wala na po silang budget for marketing. Puro na lang po sila Facebook posts na mga pictures. Before, may makita pa mga reviews from their old phones, but now, no more. Nagkusa na po kaming if you will see our Itel P65, that is all organic po. Non-paid. Pero yan, usually kasi guys, kapag merong bagong phone na lumalabas, merong mga reviews, may mga content yan na napakarami. Pero most of it right now, yung mga bagong Itel phones, wala na pong masyadong marketing. Mararamdaman mo yan, parang, ano nangyari kay Itel? Parang nawala na. Nawala na sa ere, wala na yung ingay niya. Hindi ka tulad dati. Maingay lang siya ng July. Dahil sa issue, pero it's all died down now. And I think wala na masyadong nagla-live selling para sa kanila right now sa TikTok. Napansin ko yun eh. May mga big creators sila before, but now, they can't afford na. And that's why, sabi ko sa kanya, we will do it for free. Like, free. Ito, okay naman. We will get it back all for you, bro. So, ang ginawa kasi nila is, yung una, pinakancel nila. Pero, they had a change of heart. Kasi nga, severe yung impact niya sa PR, sa kanilang image, sa branding ni Itel. They wanted to clear up yung image nila. It's actually much more important yung image ni brand compared sa 15 million. That's what they think. And I think that's the right thing to do. Kasi nga, it's very admirable yung ginawa nila. Ang plano talaga namin noong una is ipapakancel, and then sa mga nag-cancel, ang pinakauna, magbibigay kami ng earbuds or smartwatch. Yun talaga yung plano noong una. Pero kasi ang dami pa rin nagalit, ang dami nag-threaten na DTI, a lawsuit. So much threats. And syempre, pangit din siya as a whole dun sa image ni ITEL. So what the brand did, siguro nag-loan siya or not really sure, but naghanap talaga siya ng tulong just to get money. Pero to they actually gave. Tinutuon nila. Binigay talaga nila yung ITEL A50 through a voucher, no? Kapag isa ka dun sa nanakuha ng piso at kinancel mo, you will get a voucher worth nung ITEL A50 nung time na yon. Tapos pwede kang bumili na kahit anong cellphone. Magdagdag lang ng konti. Yun ang ginawa nila. People actually got a much better phone, ITEL A70, P55 Plus, Vista Tab, any ITEL product. Basta meron ka ng voucher, siguro 2,800 or 2,900 pesos yung phone ITEL A50. Plus nagdagdag pa sila para lang makabili ka ng ITEL phone. It actually took them about 2 weeks to process everything. Kasi they had to plan it out pa. Masyadong maraming knee-jerk reaction na nangyari during that time. Because, syempre, biglaan, so much traffic, so much controversy, hindi na-handle agad smoothly. Pero, after some time, binigay talaga. Thank you so much, ITEL. Very admirable po yung nagawa nyo. We at Unbox Diaries really thank you for what you did. Maraming salamat po. And for those na nagsasabi na hindi talaga binigay, issue lang po, no. Totoo po na binigay namin or binigay nila yung cellphone through a voucher. Kaya kung nanonood kayo dito at naka-cancel kayo tapos hindi pa nakuha yung voucher nyo, kunin nyo na yung voucher. Ipakita nyo lang na may piso deal kayo. Pwede pa rin yan. Don't worry. They will give you a voucher. And for those who created content about me and everybody on my team, it's totally okay. I totally get it. Kasi nga, content creator kayo, puhunan nyo talaga is yung clout. I had to accept this kasi this is how it is sa content creation. In the digital space, kailangan mo talaga ng content. Ako kasi pinakamainit na topic then. Kaya tama lang yung time. Actually, ang daming nakakuha ng views noon. Mag-create ka na ng content about me, meron ka na 1 million views, 2 million views, daming engagement, ayan. Daming talaga, umatake sa amin noon. Which is siguro a good thing. Feeling ko kasi kapag hindi mo nabot yung ganung level, wala ka pang napapatunayan. It just looks like talagang nakaabot na ako sa level na yun na marami talagang magpapatumba sa akin. And mukhang nagsisimula pa lang tayo, no? There's a lot going on in the background right now and we are ready to face any challenges in the future. Unbox Diaries is ready to evolve. And if you want to evolve with us, then subscribe ka lang din. Marami pa kaming pa-premyo, pa-piso para sa inyo. And we got a lot of surprise for you. Yun na naman masabi ko. We got a lot of surprise for you in the future. And we here at Unbox Diaries will always continue to create great content for you. Thank you so much. Subscribe ka lang. I'll see you in our next live. Piso. 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 Love you. Bye.